Who would have thought cornflakes could taste so good? These easy snacks will become a staple in your home.
This snack is made from 3 ingredients which everyone is likely to have in their home. So we start with getting a baking tray and lining it with some baking paper.
Put your honey in a small pan and leave it on a low heat. This helps to make the honey more runny and easier to mix later on.
Whilst the honey is heating up, you can put some chocolate in the microwave and microwave in 20-second bursts until the chocolate is melted.
Spread the melted chocolate into an even layer in the baking tray you lined earlier.
Let's make those boring cornflakes into something everyone will enjoy. So we put the cornflakes into a mixing bowl and then we add the honey that we heated up earlier.
Give it a good mix till all the cornflakes are evenly coated with honey like this.
Spread the cornflakes evenly over that melted chocolate and push down lightly.
The hard work's now done. Leave them in the fridge to set for at least 2 hours and then you can cut them into squares of whatever size you prefer.
Look how delicious these look. Crunchy, sweet and chocolatey. What more could you want?
If you like this recipe and want other 3 ingredient recipes, hit that subscribe button and check out our other recipes here.